Welcome to this case study on how a hotel chain reduced its agency costs by 40%. This is a real, results-driven story about a hotel chain that regained control of its staffing and budget. We will share the full playbook, from the initial problem and solution to the final results. Chapter 1 provides an overview. We will cover the problem of runaway agency costs, the discovery phase through a data-led audit, the solution of a hybrid staffing model, and the impressive results, including a 40% cost reduction and 310% ROI. These lessons are fully transferable to your business. What if you could cut your biggest expense by nearly half? The bloated reality includes agency markups, last-minute surge pricing, and zero brand loyalty from temps. The lean alternative offers a pre-vetted internal flex pool, controlled costs, and trained workers. This video provides the roadmap to achieve the lean alternative. This case study is for hotel owners, general managers, and operations teams. Owners can identify value leakage, while GMs will get a structured playbook to improve team consistency. Operations leaders will find guidance on scheduling, software, and onboarding redesign. The lessons here scale to any size of operation. Our client is a 12-property hotel chain spanning 3 markets, with 850 combined employees. Before the transformation, their annual agency spend was $1.1 million. Despite fast growth, their staffing costs were spiraling out of control. The hotel was losing hundreds of thousands annually, but the financial drain was hidden in plain sight. Costs were scattered across 12 properties and multiple departments, with no centralized tracking. Markup fees were considered normal, and there was no benchmarking against market rates. The total yearly cost to third-party agencies exceeded $1.1 million. Chapter 2 explores the problem. The team had to confront an uncomfortable truth. Their traditional staffing model was structurally flawed and expensive. This chapter examines the full scope of this operational challenge. During peak season, over 60% of their staffing came from third-party agencies, with only 40% being permanent core staff. This dependency evolved over years of reactive hiring. The path of least resistance, calling the agency, became a costly trap. The full cost breakdown included base wage markups of 15% to 40%, compounding to tens of thousands per season. There were temp-to-hire fees, last-minute surge pricing pushing markups above 50%, and hidden administrative fees for things like payroll and insurance, which were rarely questioned. Beyond the money, quality and consistency suffered. Agency temps lacked brand training, and high turnover meant constant rebriefing. Guests noticed the inconsistencies, causing online review scores to quietly decline. The cost of poor quality was damaging the hotel's reputation. A record-breaking summer season exposed the broken system. Bookings surged in May, followed by agency no-shows and cancellations in June. By July, surge pricing caused costs to balloon, and guest complaints spiked, leading to a crisis. By August, leadership commissioned a full staffing audit. The VP of Operations asked if there was a smarter way to staff without bleeding budget every quarter. This shifted the focus from firefighting to strategy. The answer was yes, but it required data, discipline, and challenging old assumptions. Chapter 3 focuses on the discovery and research phase. To design a great solution, they needed an honest diagnosis of where every dollar of agency spend was going, by property, department, and season. The first step was total visibility. They mapped 18 months of agency invoices across all 12 properties. They tracked core metrics like total hours billed, effective markup, no-show rates, and cost per role compared to direct hires. This data allowed them to ask the right questions. The most galvanizing discovery was benchmarking data, which showed competing hotels paid 30% to 35% less for similar roles. This structural gap compared to the market justified the urgent need for significant change. They stress-tested 3 options: full in-house staffing, using freelance platforms, or a hybrid model. The full in-house model lacked flexibility, and freelance platforms posed quality risks. The hybrid model, offering a core team plus a vetted internal flex pool, won on every critical dimension. Recognizing their internal limitations, they partnered with a workforce strategy consultant. External expertise provided benchmarks, objective views of capability, and accelerated the transformation process, ensuring knowledge transfer to the internal team. The business case was clear. A hybrid staffing model could save $440,000 annually. With a projected payback period of 14 months and an expected 3.1x ROI over 3 years, leadership approved the transformation program within 2 weeks. Chapter 4 covers the solution. With research complete, they built a system of interconnected changes, a new staffing model, a technology stack, reinvented onboarding, and a different approach to remaining agency relationships. The chosen hybrid staffing model consists of a 70% core full-time staff for stability. The critical addition was a 15% internal flex pool of pre-trained, on-call workers. Only 15% of staffing needs were left for residual agency use, secured under renegotiated, capped contracts. Building the internal flex pool required targeted recruitment campaigns aimed at specific talent segments: hospitality retirees, local students, and frustrated experienced part-timers. In just 4 months, they successfully onboarded a vetted bench of 180 flex workers across all properties. A dedicated workforce management platform replaced spreadsheets and agency phone calls. It provided demand forecasting, a shift-claiming app with a 94% fill rate, real-time visibility for managers, and automated compliance for payroll and work checks. Addressing quality concerns, every flex worker completed the same onboarding as full-time employees, including brand immersion and skills assessments. This commitment ensured that no flex worker set foot on the floor untrained, driving the subsequent quality improvement. For the remaining 15% of roles, they gained significant leverage by cutting agency volume by 85%. This allowed them to renegotiate contracts, capping markups at 18%, down from 31%, and eliminating all hidden administrative fees, resulting in an additional 22% cost reduction. The biggest challenge was shifting the internal mindset of department heads who were accustomed to calling an agency. Leadership managed the change through transparent communication, running a pilot program, and publicly celebrating early adopters to build internal trust in the new system. Chapter 5 presents the results. 12 months after the launch, the numbers surpassed all projections on cost, quality, and human metrics. Here is what they achieved. Agency spend dropped from $1.1 million to $660,000, achieving a 40% reduction in year 1, representing $440,000 in savings. As the flex pool matured, agency reliance continued to fall, pointing to further savings in year 2. The assumption that cost-cutting meant quality compromise was proven wrong. Guest satisfaction scores improved by 18%, climbing from 67% to 88%. Guests received better, more confident service from trained workers, demonstrating that consistency is what guests value most. The internal flex pool's annual turnover rate was 22%, 3 times lower than the previous agency turnover rate of 68%. By investing in and properly training the flex team, the hotel saw higher retention and better performance, turning the pool into a strategic talent asset. Despite a total first-year investment of $142,000 in technology, consulting, and training, the net benefit was $298,000. This resulted in a remarkable 310% return on investment in year 1 alone. The VP of Operations stated, "We stopped treating our flexible workforce as a disposable resource and started treating them as a strategic asset. This mindset shift, not just the numbers, is the most powerful endorsement of the transformation." Lessons and takeaways. These 3 insights are transferable principles applicable to any property, size, or market. They encapsulate the core learnings from this transformation. First, audit first, act second. Data visibility is the non-negotiable starting point. Second, technology enables self-sufficiency, but people make it work. A combination of tools and trained staff is essential. Third, quality and cost savings are not mutually exclusive. The right model reinforces both. Most hotels assume agency costs are just the cost of doing business, which is a costly habit. The missed opportunity lies in not running a full audit, failing to benchmark markup rates, renewing contracts by default, and not exploring internal talent pool concepts. Your action plan starts now. Step 1. Run a 12-month agency cost audit to gain total visibility. Step 2. Identify your top 5 recurring agency roles as high-priority candidates for internalization. Step 3. Start building your internal flex database, beginning with 10 to 15 reliable part-time workers. Ready to reduce your agency costs? We have created a free hotel staffing audit template that follows the exact framework used in this case study. Download it today. Run
We are
your
ready
own
to
audit
provide
this
the
month
best service
and discover
yet.
exactly
Our
how
guests
much
are gonna
you could
love
be
it.
saving.
Let's make this the best